Hello, friends. My name is Melissa Majors, and I am so honored to be a leadership booster. That's absolutely right. I boost the leadership of people that I work with, both from keynote stages, large and small around the world. And this is my absolute life's calling. I tell you, I'm really good at it. Not to brag, I humbly share that I've got 25 years experience leading not just high performing, but happy teams of people who are thriving, all different types of people who were able to be their best selves, both at home and at work on my teams. And that's quite an accomplishment that I'm very proud of. Now, it'd be pretty selfish for me to keep those secrets all to myself, wouldn't it? Yeah, so I don't. I spill the tea on exactly how leaders can do this from their own workplaces. I sure hope to get a chance to have a conversation with you or your audience. And here's what the experience will be like. It'll be fun. We're going to talk about some hard things, but we're not going to make the conversation hard. It'll be actionable. The audience, you will be able to immediately apply the concepts that we talk about. I mean, let's be honest about it. There are a lot of great keynote speakers that will entertain you for an hour and you feel good afterwards, but what can you do with the information? I believe that if you're not able to apply the concepts from a talk, it was a big old fat waste of time. So my talks are actionable. And then also they're relevant. Not only do I draw from my own experience, but I also pull in the latest and breaking research so we can have innovative conversations on what are some of the best and next level practices leaders are doing to boost performance for themselves and their teams. And another thing about my experience from the stage is I believe in delivering messages in a brain-friendly way that mesmerize audiences and keep their attention, not put them to sleep. Because if they're not listening, then they're not getting value. And so understanding the neuroscience and what gets people to pay attention, remember, and then apply the concepts is part of the value that I bring as a speaker. So again, I humbly thank you for your consideration, having me join one of your events. I hope we get to have a really great conversation from the keynote stage soon. My name is Melissa Majors, and I wish you well. And I hope that you can thrive in your role as a leader. Bye-bye.